Welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your bank account. First of all, you need to log into your account and then you need to go to your finances. In the left menu, click Finance and go to Withdrawal. So as you can see, I don't have enough balance, but in your case, there will be this kind of page. And here will be your balance on top of the page, and right here will be payment method where you need to choose bank transfer, guys, like this one. You need to choose bank transfer, then you need to enter the amount. You need to enter your bank account number, your bank IFSC code, your name, your last name, your phone number, and your address, and then click the continue button and you need to finalize the transaction. So that's how you can transfer money from Pocket Option to your bank account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.